Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this HireMyMom Freelancer platform review, I'll share my usage experience and insights. HireMyMom is a platform specifically designed for mothers seeking to return to work or transition into freelancing. You'll find a convenient link to HireMyMom in the description below. This platform is perfectly tailored for stay-at-home mothers who desire flexible work options that empower them to harmonize their family life and career aspirations. It effectively connects talented women with businesses seeking remote services. HireMyMom focuses on providing jobs that align with the lifestyles and skill sets of mothers. It offers a diverse range of freelance roles in areas such as administrative support, virtual assistance, marketing, writing, and customer service. A key highlight of HireMyMom is its remarkably user-friendly interface. This platform simplifies navigation for both freelancers and employers. Mothers seeking work can easily create profiles, showcase their skills, and apply for jobs directly on the site. Employers, in turn, can post job listings and search for freelancers possessing the specific skills they require. The platform prioritizes flexibility, a critical factor for mothers seeking work-life balance. Whether you're looking for part-time, full-time, or project-based roles, HireMyMom offers a variety of options to accommodate different schedules. It also fosters a supportive community of like-minded professionals, creating a welcoming space for mothers to network and share their experiences. HireMyMom is committed to ensuring a safe and secure working environment. It provides valuable resources to guide mothers through the freelancing process, from setting up contracts to managing payments. Freelancers are paid securely through the platform, providing peace of mind for all parties involved. In conclusion, HireMyMom is an excellent platform for stay-at-home mothers looking for flexible, remote work opportunities. With its supportive community, diverse range of job categories, and emphasis on work-life balance, it's an ideal choice for mothers looking to re-enter the workforce. If this sounds like something that might interest you, be sure to check out HireMyMom through the link in the description below.